good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. This is Art Thomas. Today we are going to continue to talk about yoga block exercises, an extension to the previous video. If you didn't catch that one, I'll put a link in the description below. Again, I use yoga blocks almost on a daily basis to help my balance, and I have noticed a huge improvement in my balance since using them. I'm not into yoga, but I've learned multiple ways to use them to help my balance. Yoga blocks can be used for beginners all the way up to experts. Yoga blocks can offer a lot. Using yoga blocks are inexpensive and simple to use. I'll also put a description below on what I use. There's plenty of yoga block exercises you can research that can help. For the first exercise, which I should have included in the previous video, make sure you are in a corner or have walls around you to prevent falls. The first yoga block exercise is almost the same first exercise in the previous video. It's a little more difficult. Simply put the yoga block on its side, so the yoga block is taller, putting your foot on top and hold for 10 seconds, then switch legs as demonstrated. Ensure that you keep the yoga block from wiggling. You want to try to keep it as steady as possible. I started out doing each leg 10 times. I'm still working on my balance as well, so this exercise and others are not perfect by any stretch. The second yoga block exercise is side step over 2 yoga blocks and complete in the opposite direction as demonstrated. Keep trying until you master it. As you can see, I'm still working on it. Side step one way 10 times and the other way 10 times for a total of 20. One good thing about yoga blocks is that they are extremely portable, so you can take them anywhere if you want. The third yoga block exercise is forward stepping using 3 yoga blocks as demonstrated. Walk forward 10 times and then do it in the opposite direction 10 times for a total of 20 times. I do these yoga block exercises at home even though I am showing you at the gym. I still go to the gym 3 days a week to do other exercises. I'm just showing you at the gym. The fourth and final yoga block exercise in this video is the spring step using 1 yoga block as demonstrated. Spring and step over 1 yoga block with only 1 leg. I started doing each leg 10 times. Try and do yoga block exercises the same time you do balance exercises. Do your best and keep trying. I'm hoping this can help everyone. Prove people wrong on what you can and cannot do with ataxia. Keep pushing forward and stay positive. If I can prove people wrong, so can you. You will get better, but it doesn't happen quick. Help bring awareness to ataxia by pressing that like button, sharing this video, subscribing to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. It's all free and thank you. Future videos coming again soon.